Starting off with one of the most incredible inventions that will blow your mind, the Elauda MK3 is a flying electric car that's designed to compete in the world's first racing series for electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. Called EXA, the Elauda MK3 is a 4-meter-long helicopter that can fly up to 1,640 feet in the air and reach speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour. It has a carbon fiber chassis for lightweight strength and is powered by an all-electric racing powertrain that can produce 429 horsepower of power output. The Elauda MK3 made its first unmanned test flights in the South Australian desert in June 2021 and is expected to participate in the EXA racing later this year. This video contains some of the best and most mind-blowing inventions you need to see to believe. Next up, we have another unique technology, the first robotic mirror that helps redirect sunlight into your indoor space, creating a bright and healthy environment. Alina works by tracking the sun throughout the day and reflecting its rays through a window using a smart algorithm and sensors. Alina can illuminate a space up to 33 meters away from the window, filling the size of most tiny homes. Alina can also be controlled by an app or voice commands, allowing users to adjust the light's brightness, direction, and timing. This innovative technology generates energy equivalent to a 100-watt light bulb and is priced at $500. Our next innovative technology will help you get clean drinking water anywhere without costing any money. Manufactured by a company named Bolt, Spout is a revolutionary innovation that can provide a sustainable and convenient water source for people living in areas with water scarcity, pollution, or poor infrastructure. Spout can also save money and reduce plastic waste by replacing bottled water. The working of this gadget is pretty simple, as it just produces fresh water from the air. It can produce up to 2.5 gallons of water per day and uses a 6-stage filtration system to remove any contaminants. Spout also cleans the air by removing dust, pollen, and other allergens, ensuring you get clean water and air simultaneously. Are you sick and tired of the sound made by trains and subways? Well, this new technology is a remarkable solution. Say goodbye to noisy railways, as these sleepers are designed to reduce vibration and noise from railway tracks. These systems use a patented system of rubber pads and steel springs to isolate the rail from the sleeper, and the sleeper from the ballast. This system provides a high level of vibration reduction, up to 30 decibels, and is a cost-effective alternative to floating slab tracks, which are very expensive and complex to install. They would prove ideal for urban areas where noise can affect the comfort and health of workers and residents. How can a video about inventions be complete without a drone? Let's check out this spectacular piece of brilliance. The Hover X1 is a lightweight, affordable, and foldable drone weighing only 125 grams. It's more than a drone, as it's a self-flying camera that can follow you, track you, and even record you. It has a durable carbon fiber body that can withstand bumps and crashes. It also has a 360-degree protective enclosure that protects the propellers and the camera. It offers a maximum shooting resolution of 2.7K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS. The drone has a battery life of 10 minutes and costs $330, along with 2 batteries in a case. We have one more drone coming up later, which is way more high-tech and advanced than this pocket-sized drone. Brown School of Engineering students have developed this impressive technology that's like an extra limb that allows you to grasp objects and go on your way. It's a wearable device that can be attached to the user's arm or waist. The device is powered by compressed air stored in a backpack or a belt. It can be used to assist people in daily tasks such as picking up items, opening doors, or holding bags. It has a carrying capacity of 4.5 kilograms and comes at a reasonable price of $20. We are already down to the last 10 innovations on our list today, and I assure you the best is yet to come. The next item on our list is a unique wind tunnel that can create realistic wind conditions for research and testing purposes. Situated in Ontario, Canada, this is a brilliant testing lab that can help urban cities to come up with solutions against hurricanes and tornadoes. It can simulate various wind patterns, such as downbursts, tornadoes, gusts, shear flows, etc. It can also reproduce the effects of complex terrain, urban canopies, and vegetation on the wind. This laboratory can be used to test different sectors or to study the wind's impact. Our next gadget will be a huge relief for athletes worldwide, especially badminton players. This is what happens when innovation meets engineering, as this system can be easily worn inside your socks over your ankle. It's a smart device that can prevent ankle injuries by providing stabilization when required. This ankle brace is lightweight, comfortable, and adjustable. It uses a patented BG protection system that can sense when your ankle is in danger of twisting or rolling and activates a support mechanism to prevent or minimize the damage. This cutting-edge technology is suitable for a variety of sports, like basketball, badminton, and volleyball, and comes at $334 for a set. Did you ever think about having robot plants? Well, our next technology will surely have you in awe. Cyborg Botany is a cutting-edge field of research and design that explores the integration of plants and technology. This technology aims to create new forms of interaction and communication with nature by augmenting plants with electronic devices or growing synthetic functions within them. They can detect environmental conditions and can even be used in military applications where the system can be installed in bushes to monitor people's movements. Renewable energy is the future, and our next technology makes brilliant use of that. Among the various renewable energy technologies, wave energy remains one of the least researched and developed. However, this wave power generator comes in handy, as this floating hinged raft uses a unique geometry to capture the energy of the waves and convert it into electricity. The Blue X is 20 meters long, weighs 38 tons, and can produce 5 kilowatts of power, even in wave conditions up to 2.3 meters high. The Blue X was fully fabricated in Scotland and was deployed at the European Marine Energy Centre's Scape of Flow test site for sea trials in 2021. It's not far when we can effectively have wave energy in the best form. People who love the ocean and want to explore more of it will love our next invention. This unique innovation is an underwater sea scooter for both adults and kids that can be used for scuba diving and other underwater activities. It has a 600-watt power engine that can thrust up to 10-kilogram force and reach a speed of 6 kilometers per hour. It has a 97.7 WH battery that can run for 100 minutes once fully charged. It has a 2-in-1 modular design that allows you to connect 2 units together for more power and speed. It also comes with 3 camera mounts that let you connect your GoPro and capture your underwater adventures. You can get this for a price of $800. We have a much more sophisticated and expensive technology coming up for people who love exploring the oceans. The X-59 is an experimental supersonic aircraft being developed by NASA. The X-59 aims to demonstrate a technology that can reduce the loudness of a sonic boom to a gentle thump, making it possible for supersonic flights over land without disturbing people on the ground. The X-59 will fly at an altitude of about 55,000 feet and a speed of about Mach 1.4. Advancements in this technology can open plenty of aviation gates, as sound has been the only problem for supersonic flights. Charging electric cars is still a big problem. Our next technology aims to solve that through wireless charging. The company InductEV aims to provide wireless charging solutions for electric vehicles, and all you have to do is place your car over the charging stations. Most recently, a taxi company in Sweden has joined hands with this innovation, as it hopes to reap financial benefits from the system. These stations have a power transmission of 450 kilowatts, and they can charge your vehicle by 10 or 20% as you go into the coffee shop to have a cup of coffee. This technology is patented as well, and is definitely one for the future. As we're down to the top 3 technologies on our list today, we still have an amazing robot to come. Do you remember the drone we talked about previously? This is an Army Standard, a remarkable drone that can vertically take off and land. It only weighs 57 kilograms and has the ability to stay in the air for 9 hours. Only 2 people are required to operate this drone, as it can handle speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. This drone is specialized for military purposes, electromagnetic warfare, or radar systems. The UAV is still being modified to enable a hybrid heavy fuel engine for the military. This next-generation submarine is designed for ocean enthusiasts, allowing you to fly underwater while exploring the deepest parts of the ocean. It can reach speeds up to 6 knots and depths up to 120 meters. It can have 2 or 3 seats depending upon the model, with each seat coming with a panoramic view of the underwater world. It's also equipped with advanced safety features, such as a fly-by-wire control system, a depth control system, and a surface communication system. The only problem is its price, which stands at $1.5 million. Coming down to number 1, we have a marvelous robot quite similar to the one Elon Musk revealed last year. The Fourier GR1 is a general-purpose humanoid-sized robot developed by a Chinese company. The robot stands 1.6 meters tall and weighs 80 kilograms. It can carry up to 70 kilograms of payload, which is nearly its own weight. It can also walk at a speed of 0.8 meters per second, climb stairs, and perform complex motions, such as picking up objects, opening doors, and pouring drinks. You can control the robot by voice command, hand gestures, or a remote controller. The company aims to produce 100 prototypes by the end of the year, and sell them to universities, hospitals, and nursing homes.